Question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Here, if we decrease angle 1, then we have to increase angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Now come to next. Now come to question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are, first part, acute? We know that two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Here your answer is no, because sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. Now second part, obtuse. Again your answer is no, because sum of two obtuse angles is greater than 180 degree. Now third, right. Your answer is yes, because sum of 90 plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Now come to next. Question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is it complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Your answer is here. If an angle is greater than 45 degree, then complement of this of angle is less than 45 degree, then only their sum will be 90 degree, then only their sum will be 90 degree. Come to next. Question number 9. In the adjoining figure, first part, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes. Yes. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Now second part, is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? No. Angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE. Now come to third part. Angle COE and angle EOD forms a linear pair? Yes. Angle COE and angle EOD forms a linear pair. Now come to fourth part. Are angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary? Yes. Angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary. Why? Because their sum is 180 degree, because they are found on the straight line. Now come to fifth part. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Yes. Angle 1 is vertically opposite angle to angle 4. Now come to sixth. What is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Vertically opposite angle of angle 5 is angle BOC. Now come to next. Question number 10. Indicate which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles. First part is vertically opposite angles. Here angle 1 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3. Then second part, linear pairs. Here angle 1 and 5, these are linear pairs. Then angle 4 and angle 5. Now come to next. Question number 11. In the following figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Give region. No. Angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they have no common vertex. Come to next. Question number 12. Find the value of the angles x, y and z in the following. Here angle x equal to 55 degree. This is vertically opposite angles. Now 55 degree plus y equal to 180 degree, because these are linear pairs. Y equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree equal to 125 degree. Therefore y equal to 125 degree. Y equal to z equal to 125 degree, because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore x is equal to 55 degree, y equal to 125 degree, z equal to 125 degree. This is your answer. Come to next. Now come to second part. Here 40 degree plus x plus 25 equal to 180 degree. Why? These are angles formed on a straight line. Forty plus 25, it is 65 plus x equal to 180. X is equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree equal to, it is 115 degree. Therefore x is equal to 115 degree. Now z equal to 40 degree, vertically opposite angles. Y plus z equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. Y plus z is 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Y equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Y equal to 140 degree. Therefore x is equal to 115 degree, y equal to 140 degree, z is equal to 40 degree is your answer. Come to next. Question number 13. Fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Second part, if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Fourth part, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. Fifth, if two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Sixth part, if two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angles. Question number 14. In the adjacent figure, name the following pair of angles. First, obtuse vertically opposite angles. Here angle BOC and angle AOD. Second, adjacent complementary angles. It is angle AOB and angle AOE. Then third, equal supplementary angles. Your answer is angle BOE and angle EOD. Then fourth, unequal supplementary angles. Here angle AOB and angle BOC, angle BOC and angle COD, angle AOB and angle AOD. Now come to fifth part, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Your answer is angle AOB and angle AOE, angle AOE, EOD, angle EOD and angle COD.